In order for a board to be inserted in your assembly, you must pick the assembly in which to insert the board. We'll use the assembly that we already have, and we're going to put a shelf. Click the New Board form in the upper left-hand corner. This form has several pieces of information that SketchList needs. First, the board name. Then which container are we going to put it into? In this case, there is only one. Select material for the board. Use this oak material. If you want to change the material, click the Select Material text. You can choose the material from the list that opens. So a shelf will be 50 inches wide, 3/4 inch high, which is the thickness of the board, and depth is also 50 inches. The grain direction runs side to side. Optionally, you can set the location so the distance from the bottom will be 25 inches. Finally, we click Add Board, and the board appears. If you need to edit that board, you can do that using the calculator. Change the board width to 25 from the right. You can use the spreadsheet. Change the width back to 50 and click the right. We will cover the spreadsheet and calculator in depth in another video. By entering the information you are providing, SketchList needs to display and update all reports for you.